Guys, do you want to install multiple operating system on your PC or on your laptop? So this video is for you. Guys, in this video, I will be showing you how you can install VMware Workstation Pro. VMware Workstation Pro you can use for installing multiple operating system. If you are a student or if you are doing a project where you need multiple operating system, you cannot install all operating systems. So for that, you can use VMware Workstation. Previously, guys, VMware Workstation Pro was not free. Now they have made it free. So in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step guide for installing this VMware Workstation Pro. The steps are little tricky, so you have to follow my video till end. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video I will be showing you installation of VMware Workstation. So let's start the video. Guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and just search for VMware Workstation, and herein guys you can see it's showing official website vmware.com. just click on this link, so it will redirect you to this page, VMware Desktop Hypervisor. Just click on this button, download Fusion or Workstation, and so it will redirect you to Broadcom website. So now you have to download Workstation Pro from this website. So for this you need to sign up or register. So here at the top you can see we have login option. Just click on that login. Here we have option for sign in and register. So I'm going to click on register. Okay, so now guys it will redirect me to user registration page. Here you need to provide your email address guys, and then you need to enter this code and then just click on next button. So after this guys it will send you the verification code on your email. So you have to just go to your email and enter the verification code which has been sent and click on verify. Okay, so now here you need to provide your complete registration details. So few basic details are required over here, so just provide all the detail, and below guys you can provide your password and just select this checkbox and click on this button guys, create account button. So here guys my account is created on Broadcom. Now I need to log in using this username and password. So now for that I'm going to click on this login option guys. Here now we will be providing username. So whatever username you have created you can just provide, and the password, and click on next. So guys here you can see it has taken me to this page, downloads page. So now here we have various downloads available. We will be downloading Workstation Pro. So just go to my dashboard guys, and herein search the option VMware Workstation Pro and hit this search button guys. So it will show you VMware Workstation Pro link. So here you can see this link is available. Just click on that link, and now guys it is showing various options. Just scroll down and here you can come to Workstation Pro 17.5.2, that is the version it is showing, and below Fusion also it has shown. So just click on the first option. Okay, so now it will redirect again to this page, and guys here we need to verify. So guys it will redirect you again to this page, and here it's showing various workstation products. So we have for Windows, so I'm going to select VMware Workstation Pro 17 for personal user Pro, and then you can see various releases are there. So I'm going to select the latest one. So let me just select it. Now it has redirected me to this page. So here you need to just check mark this I agree button and click on this cloud download, and here click on this yes button. So now again here it has redirected you to trade compliances verification. So you need to enter your email for verification, and rest of the detail, addresses and all that thing you have to enter, and I agree, and then click on submit button. Fine guys, now again here it has taken you to this page. You need to click on again this cloud download. So just click on this guys, and you can see the download has been started. Now it will take a little time, so we will wait for it. Okay guys, so my download is done. Now I'm going to click on this. Here is the welcome screen. I'm going to click on next. Here again I'm going to click on next button guys. Now I have to accept license and agreement, so let me check mark this and click on next button guys. And now here I'm going to click on next button. Just follow the default one, next button, and install. Okay, so you can see guys, and the installation is done, and here it has created shortcut on desktop. worked, you can directly click on this finish button. And here guys, you can see my VMware Workstation Pro has been started. Now using this, you can create multiple virtual machines on your system. So I hope guys, by following my video, you are also able to install VMware Workstation Pro version on your system. So guys, if really my video has helped you, then don't forget to hit on like button. If any queries, you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. I post lots of tutorials related to programming and coding. Guys, you can follow me on other social media platform also. The link for everything I have given in description box. You can join my Telegram channel if you want free PDF notes related to computer science and IT. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye. Keep learning, keep watching guys, and take care.